In the Geoprocessing pane, search for and open the Project Raster tool. Set the input raster to wizard naip.tif. For the output raster dataset, click the Browse button. Navigate to the Crater Lake folder and name the output wizard naip utm.tif. The TIFF extension is required to specify the output file format, so be sure to include it. Click Save. Click the Output Coordinate System drop-down and select DEM30M to match the existing datasets. Use the suggested geographic transformation from WGS 1984 to NAD 1983. Use the nearest neighbor resampling technique and set the X and Y output cell size to 1. Leave the registration point blank. Run the tool.